Sri Jagannath Temple of Puri is an important temple dedicated to Jagannath, a form of Vishnu. The present temple was rebuilt from the 10th century onwards on the site of an earlier temple and begun by King Anandavarman Choda Gangadeva, first of the Eastern Ganga dynasty. The Puri temple is famous for its annual Ratha Yatra or chariot festival, in which the three principal deities are pulled on huge and elaborately decorated temple cars. These gave their name to the English term Juggernaut. Unlike the stone and metal icons found in most Hindu temples, the image of Jagannath is made of wood and is ceremoniously replaced every 12 or 19 years by an exact replica. It is one of the Char Dham. The temple is sacred to all and especially in those of the Vaishnava traditions. Many great saints such as Ramananda and Ramanuja were closely associated with the temple. Ramanuja established the Amar Mutt near the temple and the Govardhan Mutt, which is the seat of one of the four Shankaracharyas. It is also of particular significance to the followers of the Gaudiya Vaishnavism, whose founder Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was attracted to the deity Jagannath and lived in Puri for many years. Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are a trio of deities worshipped at the temple. The inner sanctum of the temple contains statues of these three gods carved from sacred neem logs known as Daru, sitting on the bejeweled platform or Ratna Bedi, along with statues of Sudarshana Chakra, Madan Mohan, Sridevi and Vishwadatri. The deities are adorned with different clothing and jewels according to the season. Worship of these deities predates the building of the temple and may have originated in an ancient tribal shrine. According to legend, the construction of the first Jagannath temple was commissioned by King Indradyumna, son of Bharata and Sunanda, and a Malava king mentioned in the Mahabharata and the Puranas. The temple's kitchen is the largest in the world. Tradition holds that all Mahaprasad cooking in the temple kitchens is supervised by the goddess Mahalakshmi, the empress of Sri Mandir herself, and that if the food prepared has any fault in it, a shadow dog appears near the temple kitchen, a sign of her displeasure. If the shadow dog is seen, the food is promptly buried and a new batch cooked. All 56 varieties of food produced are vegetarian and prepared without onions, garlic or chilies as prescribed by Hindu religious texts. Cooking is done only in earthen pots using water drawn from two special wells near the kitchen called Ganga and Yamuna. The most awaited offering is Koto Boga or Abada, offered after midday. After being offered to Jagannath and other deities, the food is sold at Ananda Bajra, an open market near the temple. It is also believed that when the Pandavas started their journey to Yamraj, Saptarishis advised them to visit the Char Dham to get closer to moksha. Jagannath temple in Puri is one of the holy places of Char Dham. Since then, Jagannath idol has always remained off limits for people and devotees and can see Lord only for a particular period of time. Jagannath temple in Puri is also known for some mysteries that defy any scientific explanation. People believe these mysteries are actually blessings of Lord Jagannath. You need to visit this place to believe it. The flag atop the temple strangely always floats in the opposite direction of wind. The flag floating in opposite directions brings your scientific reasoning to a halt, and you just tend to believe that there is some force more powerful than science. The Sudarshan Chakra. The chakra is actually 20 feet high and weighs a ton. It is fitted on top of the temple. But what is interesting about this chakra is that you can see this chakra from any corner of the Puri city. The engineering mystery behind the placing and positioning of chakra is still a mystery because, irrespective of your position, you can always feel that the chakra is facing towards you. No planes, no birds fly above the temple. Such an aspect is a rarity at any other temple in India. The site is a no-fly zone which has not been declared by any state powers but by some divine power. This phenomenon also apparently has no explanation. It still remains a mystery. The structure of the temple is such that it does not cast any shadow at any given time of the day. It still remains to be deciphered whether it is an engineering marvel or a phenomenon that can be attributed only to the divine force. Mystery of Simhadwaram. The Jagannath temple has 4 doors and Simhadwaram is the main door of entrance to the temple. While you enter through Simhadwaram, you can clearly hear the sound of waves, but once you pass the Simhadwaram, simply take a turn and walk back in the same direction. You will no longer hear the sound of waves. In fact, you will not hear the sound of waves as long as you are inside the temple. The Sea Mystery. In any part of the world, you must have witnessed that during daytime the wind from sea comes to the land, whereas the wind from the land blows towards sea at evening. However, in Puri, the geographical laws are also reversed. Here, just the opposite thing happens. An 1800-year-old ritual. Every day, a priest climbs atop the temple, which is as tall as 45-story building, to change the flag. This ritual has been in place for 1800 years. It is believed that if this ritual is ever missed, the temple will remain shut for the next 18 years. The Prasadam Mystery. Nothing goes wasted in Jagannath temple. Depending on the day, records state that 2,000 to 20,000 devotees visit the temple. But the quantity of prasadam which is cooked in the temple remains the same throughout the year. Yet the prasadam never gets wasted or is insufficient in any given day. Magical methods to cook. The traditional way to cook the prasadam is preserved by the priest here. Exactly 7 pots are used as vessels, mounted over one another and are cooked using firewood. Enchantingly, the topmost pot is cooked first and the rest follows the same order. The Rath Yatra is an annual parade in which the deities are carried outside the temple on 2 sets of chariots. The first chariot carries the deities till the river which separates the Jagannath temple and the Mausi Ma temple. After that, the idols are boarded in 3 boats to cross the river. Now the second chariot comes in play. It carries the deities from the river to the Mausi Ma temple where the ritual takes place.